Oh, Amber, please be home.
Hello?
Thank God. Amber, my phone has been ringing off the hook all morning. Something terrible has happened. Have you heard the news? Belinda, no, what's going on? Did somebody get hurt? Well, dear, I kind of feel like I might have had something to do with this. What am I going to do? Belinda, what is going on? What's happened? Do you remember, dear, how we asked Janet to make a boxed cake mix for the Thanksgiving/Christmas meal at church?
Oh no.
At least 8 different people have called from the church with the same story, the same symptoms. That's why she was supposed to make the box mix, remember? Janet's not the best cook. I am so glad that we didn't eat any, Belinda. I told you. Janet's casserole did get everyone sick. Belinda, that could have been us. We can't say anything to Janet because if we do, it could cause her to leave the church. And that is the last thing us as Christians want to stand accountable in front of God for. Amber, someone's knocking at the door. I wonder who it could be. Oh, sure, Belinda. Go ahead.
Hold on just a moment. Oh, Janet.
Hey, Belinda, I wanted to bring that cake over that I promised you that I was going to make at the church Thanksgiving/Christmas meal. You really did make my day. So here you go.